How to make a conclusion in Japanese. To do this, we use ということ. As I've covered in previous videos, と marks that what comes before is said with iu, which means to say. Koto is a generic noun, which means thing. So literally translated, it means the thing that says. You can think of it as if this thing is saying that what comes before is a conclusion of what was said earlier. Also, you can simply translate it to that means. For example, 僕、魚全然好きじゃないよ。それは、寿司も好きじゃないということ? In this case, person A says that they don't like fish, so person B asks if that means that person A also dislikes sushi, which is a logical conclusion that can be drawn. What you often see is that ということは is used at the beginning of the concluding sentence. Think of it as if what was said before becomes the topic of the sentence and the conclusion follows. Also, という is often replaced with て. Let me give you the same example with these two changes implemented. 僕、魚全然好きじゃないよ。ってことは、寿司も好きじゃないってこと? Please follow for more Japanese tips.